name is Chelsia and I'm an actor and a singer-songwriter. And today at the MYEPPO channel, I am going to show you how I do my eyeshadow with some Holika Holika makeup products. What I have here is the Holly Pop BB Cream Glow by Holika Holika, and that's what I have on my face. I'm gonna show you what it looks like here in my arm, my hand. It comes in one color, but it blends with your skin very well. It might look a bit fair at first, but once you have it all blended in, it looks very, very natural. And it comes in SPF 30, so you're protected from the sun also. There you go. Second thing I have on my face is the Puri Pore No Sebum Powder by Holika Holika. This powder is very, very kind to your skin. Not only does it have lavender extract to prevent inflammation, it also helps with your open pores. And it smells really good too. Keeps my face matte throughout the day. Love the texture. Next is the Wonder Drawing 24-hour Auto Eyebrow. So it spreads very easily. It lasts, like it says on the stick here, 24 hours. And then it comes with a brush on the other end for you to smooth out your eyebrows, like so. Ta-da! Eyebrows! Now I'm gonna show you how I do my eyeshadow and make it look a little smoky with these 4 colors and this glitter here. Start with the base, which I already have on, but I'm just putting it on extra right now just to show you how to do it. And this dark blush here will give my eye a bit of a deep socket here. Creates a shadow. Oh, of course, because it's eyeshadow. I like using my fingers when applying eyeshadow, though I have brushes here, because it feels more natural when I use my fingers. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the dark brown here on the edge and spread it around my arch here to make my eyes look a little bigger. Now for the lower part, I would need a brush. So I'm gonna add a bit of this, a little bit of the dark blush. Can you see the difference? In 3 simple steps. Another thing I do with what's left on my fingers is put it a little bit on my nose here for some shading. Then you use your other finger. That's why I like to use my fingers. And you use your other fingers to just smooth it out. Ta-da! Shading! So, I'm gonna apply the glitter now, and hopefully I'll look like one of those Korean stars that you see in the K-dramas. This one's called Magic Inside. We all have magic inside, don't we? But now, to get the magic inside on your face, you need this. Just apply a little bit under the eye, so you get a bit of a tinge there. You see? Ooh, I can see it. A little bit too much glitter, but oh, so fun. Don't we all love glitter? Don't we all need a little bit of magic in our lives? Ta-da! Instant glamour eye. Next up is the brush liner, heel lasting with a lightning bolt there. The brush is very, very fine. Look at it. So depending on how thick you want your eyeliner, you sendiri buat lah. Like all eyeliners, you have to shake it before you use it, okay? Shake it like a Polaroid picture. For all you young ones out there, this is an oldie but goodie that you need to check out. I like to use liquid eyeliner because I am lazy that way. And also, liquid eyeliner is much better than pencil eyeliner in many ways because it doesn't smudge when you do your inner eyelashes. Okay, eyeliner done. This is called the magic pole. Now, don't we all need a magic pole in our life? This one is a very special mascara. Can you see the ball tip there? For you to reach the less reachable areas around your eyes. And it also has a memory curl polymer that will keep your lashes curled all day long. It is also waterproof, and it says here long and curl. I like how it sounds. I'm gonna show you how to use this ball at the end of the tip here. It's not convenient, especially around the inner lashes. Magic Pole! It's an excellent name Holika Holika Jelly Dough Blusher. Comes with a little puff, and when applied on your skin, it will look very dewy and doughy. Last step is the lipstick. Though it looks very moist, it's not sticky. By the way, this thing here is my mole, yeah. It's not that I curi makan tadi. In Hokkien, they used to call my mole a tham jia ki. You know what a tham jia ki is? Tham jia ki is a suka makan. Like that. Tham jia is like that lah. Just want to eat lah. There you go. Oh, it's not sticky at all. Love it. Good for smooching. So that's how I do my makeup. And how do you like the look? I think not bad lah. Don't forget to subscribe to MYEPPO channel on YouTube and also follow them on their social media at myeppo.official. You can also follow me on social media at CHELSIANG on Instagram and Twitter. That's at Chelsia. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel where I do my original music, also some parody music videos and Penang Hokkien tutorials. So see you guys on my YouTube channel.